Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for watching. Man, we got some really exciting news today. We're doing some part quotes on another car build. 6.1 Hemi this time. We're going through Modern Muscle Extreme for another external quote, and we ended up submitting all our documents for our shop, and they accepted us to our dealer. So we're proud to announce we're now a dealer for Modern Muscle Extreme. So if you need any parts for the Gen 3 Hemi, that's from Jeep Cherokee to Challenger, Charger, pickup truck, cams, anything you need, call us. Get a hold of us on our website. That's austins-metalmafia.com, and we'll be happy to help with anything you need. More than happy to help. So please give us a shout. Look us up on Google. Look us up on YouTube. Anyway, call me on the phone, however you see fit. So we are happy to get started on the Scat Pack this evening. We will be yanking the engine out of that, and we'll be taking you all along for the ride. So stay tuned and be safe out there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start tearing into this car here. And this engine actually comes out easiest from the bottom. So we're going to unhook everything from the top, and then we're going to pull it out. All right, so we got everything unhooked under here. You have to unhook the upper A-arm or control arm. Brakes, we leave them hooked up and zip tie them up. We unhook the ABS, get it set off the side. Unhook the sway bar right here. Headers are unhooked. We leave the transmission, everything in. We just unhook the drive shaft. And we're almost ready to pull this thing out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Take it up, boss. Keep going. That all looks good. All right. Pull her out. Look at that. Now that's how you pull a Hemi. Like so. Smooth and easy.